Success is not something to wait for, it is something to work for. I repeat, success is not something to wait for, it is something to work for. So, students, with this important thought for a day, we start with our today's lesson. So, before starting, just going back to our first lesson of the chapter aldehydes and ketones, where we classified aldehydes and ketones, and in that classification we have seen one class of aldehydes and ketones, that is aromatic aldehydes and ketones. So today we will wind up with the preparation methods of aldehydes and ketones. So here we have four important methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So we start our today's lesson with our first method of preparation of aromatic aldehyde. The first reaction here is Itard reaction. Now, preparation of aromatic aldehydes, you will find many name reactions, and I told you that name reactions are very important for your examination. So here we have our first name reaction, Itard reaction. The chemist, he gave this method of preparation of aromatic aldehyde. So how we prepared? Let's understand. We have here methyl benzene, the reactant methyl benzene, in presence of chromic chloride Cr, CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride in presence of organic solvent carbon tetrachloride CCl4. So here two molecules of chromic chloride gets added to this carbon. One hydrogen from here gets transferred on this two chromic chloride molecule, and you get this particular intermediate. These two hydrogens are transferred from methyl group to these oxygen atoms of chromic chloride. We get the intermediate, and we know that once you get the intermediate, immediately hydrolysis of that intermediate will give us the final product. So hydrolysis, and we get CHO group attached to benzene ring, and you know the name of this compound, benzaldehyde. Since they have not given the byproduct in our text, so we expect that we have to write down only the main product. So we write down the main product, benzaldehyde. Second method of preparation of aromatic aldehyde, Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Now here, this particular chemist, he took the reactant phenol. Two molecules of phenol he treated with NaOH in presence of chloroform. CHCl3 means chloroform. So H is replaced by Na. So two molecules of NaOH is required, of course, for balancing two molecules. So H will be replaced by Na, and you get this two mixture of products. Mixture of products where CHO group is developed on the benzene ring at ortho position, and mixture. But this is not the final product. Okay, these products are unstable since they are sodium salts. These are called sodium salts. So that's why we have the last step, hydrolysis. Okay, so if this product is hydrolyzed, Na gets converted again back to OH. Okay, and we get the final product. The name of this aldehyde is 1,2,2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay, and this will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay, so that will be the final product for this particular reaction. Third reaction here is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. So very simple reaction, one-step reaction. You take benzene, okay, benzene and carbon monoxide in acidic medium. So directly the carbon monoxide group, okay, this carbon gets attached to this carbon atom of the benzene ring, and we know that each carbon atom in benzene ring contains hydrogen, correct? So if this group is getting added here, so here we have one hydrogen, that hydrogen will be replaced, okay, that will be transferred to this oxygen of carbon monoxide, and that will form which group? CHO group means aldehyde group. So we get benzaldehyde, that is aromatic aldehyde. Now we have the last method for today, preparation of benzophenone. Now preparation of benzophenone, which is a ketone. Okay. So one method of ketone also we are going to study now. So you take benzene and benzoyl chloride. Benzene and benzoyl chloride. This is benzoyl chloride. Okay. So what happens here? This Cl and one H from here, okay, will form HCl. Okay, and this carbonyl group gets attached to this carbon of benzene. So we get this compound, as you can see, we get this product which is a ketone, and the name of this ketone also you know, we have already studied. This is benzophenone. Benzophenone, which is a ketone. So these are the four methods of preparation of aromatic aldehyde. As you can see, in each reaction, the final products, we have benzene ring. At least one benzene ring is there in the final product. Okay, that's why these are examples of methods of preparation of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. So in my notes also I have given the same examples. So I hope you have practiced the reaction, and again the revision question also you have got for this particular note. So if you have not completed the exercise of writing the answers for revision questions for each note, okay, so please write down answers in your chemistry copy. So this was all for today. Okay, any doubts you can ask. So next time we will continue with the chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones, which is the last part of the chapter. Okay, so take care and